Hey guys, welcome back to PNW Paths. Today we're taking you inside the famous Tillamook Creamery in Oregon, Washington. From cheese making to ice cream tasting, we'll show you the full walkthrough and what to see and what to do when you come to this awesome place along the Oregon coast. Let's get in and explore the Tillamook Creamery. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are at the Tillamook Creamery in Tillamook, Oregon. So come along, let's check out this creamery, eat some ice cream, probably get some food, and see what we can get into here. All right, let's get into it. As we come up to the creamery doors, the first thing you see is Flour welcoming us into the factory. Let's go inside and get a closer look. Now this is a self-guided tour, so as you come in, you have a gift shop off to the right here, and then straight ahead and up these stairs is where the self-guided tour takes. So really you can take this any way you want as far as how you go about this tour. We went ahead, went upstairs, checked everything out, made our way back down into the gift shop, ate some food, and then came back to the gift shop at the end before we left. So we'll get into the main areas here. Quite a bit to explore and check out. You really get to see the whole process of the dairy coming in, the cheese being made, the cheese being packaged, and then you get samples and little things throughout. This first area was pretty cool, just showing all the early stages of the calves and the cows and raising them and things about their diet and how they're taken care of at the farm.
You're nursing the big baby, you gotta turn it up. No, you gotta hold it like this. See? It's gotta be like that so the milk goes in. Hey, see this right here? That's what cows use to massage themselves. This turns, they can get a cow massage. Quick, get it all hooked up. Get it hooked up. You got 2 more to hook up.
Okay. Not looking at stuff. Okay.
Poor cow has no idea what's going on behind it. It's got a bunch of crazy kids.
The actual tour of the factory starts with showing the milk coming in, testing the milk, and cooking the milk, which is pretty cool right here in these
So
big
see guys,
vats.
this is when the milk comes in. This is where it starts and they test it. Make sure it's all okay. See, he's doing some kind of testing over there. See, look, 10% curd and 90% whey at the end of the cooking process. Ooh, feel how warm this is. Really, I feel how warm. See, that's it cooking.
Huh?
See?
Look, feel the pipe.
This pipe is full of salt rushing towards the cheese curds to do what salt does best. Stabilize the curds and add flavor. All that rushing creates friction inside the pipe, which is why it feels warm to the touch. This is where they're making cheddar.
Cheddar cheese.
See back there? See it says Cheddar Master? These are the cooking vats. See, when we were at Pike Place, we saw them making cheese in open vats like this. But here they have a machine back there that makes the cheese. So you don't get to see it as much. That's like how they do it in Beechers and Pike Place Market with that big old open vat.
Oh, that though right there says.
That's cool. That's a lot of cheese they're pumping out. Block forming towers. That's a heat shrink wrap thing that it goes through. See? The plastic's loose.
On this side of the factory, you see a lot more of the packing process. You see all the cheese getting picked up, sorted, and put into its plastic sheeting packaging. and then sent through the different machines in order to seal them. Pretty cool to see. This was actually always enjoyable for me to see how all the different machines work and the inner workings of the employees with the machines. That thing spinning around is called the octopus, which is pretty cool, and just lots and lots of stuff to explore and watch as you're looking at this factory floor running in full operation.
Sure. Pepper Jack always good.
So as you finish the factory tour, they drop you right into the gift shop. And if you're not local to this type of the area of the country, you might not be aware as much about what exactly Tillamook is. They are predominantly cheese and ice cream. Those are the two biggest things that you really think of when you think of Tillamook. So we definitely have a lot of Tillamook products here locally. We definitely eat a lot of their yogurt as well. But so for us, the gift shop was more of getting some Tillamook swag and checking out all the stuff that you don't see in the normal grocery stores around here. We were hungry at this point, so we made it quickly through the gift shop area to grab some food in the food court area. And for us, Tillamook cheddar is a pretty much staple for us. So getting a Tillamook grilled cheese sandwich was kind of what we expected it to taste like. It wasn't the shocker or anything like that. It was just a good grilled cheese sandwich. So we got some grilled cheese, we got some pizza, also got their mac and cheese, and just, you know, we were hungry, so it was time to eat, get some food, and then after we'd get some ice cream. So this was us at the food court checking everything out, and it was busy. Everywhere you went here, there were a lot of people here. Tillamook is definitely a staple for a lot of us in the Pacific Northwest, and I think that's pretty apparent just by it being at this factory.
Okay. The crispy chicken? Almond vodka.
We were all pretty hungry, so this was the only point where I think no one was doing much talking and everyone was just enjoying good food and chowing down. It wasn't bad. Now, probably my favorite thing about Tillamook is going to be their ice cream. And I was kind of hoping here at the factory, at the creamery, they would have some kind of special flavors only available at the creamery.
Right.
Unfortunately, that was not the case.
No, we're just
Anything
getting
you could
cups
get here, you
because it's
could
gonna
also
get too
get
messy.
in store around our area. Either way, it's still great ice cream. I got a flight so I could get 3 different scoops, and I was still very happy even though there was no special flavor for the factory creamery itself.
Drake, what'd you get? I'm not even eating it.
You want to try... This is campfire. You want to try that?
Only one kid has to
Campfire's good.
3 kids have boring flavors, and one kid has the cool.
Want to try my strawberry? Okay, my strawberry.
Toasted marshmallows.
You want to try my strawberry?
Wait, did you get the strawberry too?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
How's your ice cream?
You want a picture of all of us, right?
I did. I got toffee crunch, campfire, and coffee almond fudge.
After eating and filling the kids full of sugar, we went outside, to this little area to hang out and let the kids burn some energy off. So chasing them around, hanging around this Morning Star boat and the big Tillamook factory sign. It was just a good day. If you have time and you're on the Oregon coast, we were staying at Seaside. Highly recommend this tour. We had a great time and just was a good afternoon hanging out at the Tillamook factory. And just like any tour, we ended up in the Tillamook gift shop, checking out everything they had to offer for some swag to go home with. We actually did not pick up too much stuff. We ended up getting some stickers and then a Tillamook bus little toy that represents this trip for us that we put in our trailer. So nothing crazy, but we definitely took some time looking around everything. They had a lot of unique gifts in here. I think I wish we would have picked up an ice cream scoop and maybe a couple of Tillamook ice cream bowls. So on another trip, we may come back and pick up a few different things. But definitely a lot of stuff to look at. I am sure anyone that comes here will find something they like. So here's the little Tillamook bus toy I was telling you about that we picked up. But check it out, see what you think, and you'll have a good idea of what to expect when you come into this gift shop and are thinking about what you're going to go home with.
Find out where they are, Julie? Well, we might have to get this official Tillamook ice cream scoop. Let's look around, guys.
I don't know. I like that.
Ooh. We're going to be spending some money here, I can tell already. We are definitely going to be... That's going to do it for today at Tillamook Creamery. Awesome product. We're happy we got to stop by and check it out. So until next time, keep us warm. We'll talk soon. Take care, guys.